attention to their fake eye spot there. All right, Keys Moths fans, this is David Fine, and I am bringing you up close on a backyard butterfly, the Tropical Checkered Skipper, and we are going to show you how to find eggs for this species literally in the weeds in your backyard down here in South Florida. Tropical Checkered Skipper, Piergus oileus. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, if you learned something. Drop a comment down below what you'd like to see me hunt for next in South Florida, and we will make it happen. Guys, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let's get to the video. Piergus oileus, the Tropical Checkered Skipper. All right, guys, here's another backyard bug that is really super cool. Let me know when you can see him. Boy, oh boy, is this girl camouflaged. That is a checkered skipper. It's a female, and she is actually actively laying eggs. And this is her host plant right here, this yellow flower. It's a plant, it's a weed that grows here in South Florida called Sida. She's actually dropping an egg right now, guys. Right on the leaf, the new stem of the Sida. And I'm gonna not lose where that egg went because I'm gonna try and raise it, but I'm also gonna try and get some great video footage of Piergus oileus, the Tropical Checkered Skipper. Look at that guy, or girl. That's a girl. Look at that girl. Oh. She dropping an egg, or is she just resting? Sorry about the helicopters in the background. That's the plight of us in Broward County trying to do anything outside. We always have noise. So, she's just resting right now. She's dropping an egg. She's dropping an egg right now, guys. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna pick this because I'm very certain in here somewhere is an egg. And it's always interesting how well they're able to hide the eggs. So we're gonna hunt around for them until we find it, okay? Now, I'm gonna follow her around again. And there she goes. Now she's nectaring. She's actually nectaring on the host plant. Look at her. She's nectaring right on the host plant, Sida. I don't know the species name of the plant. It's the genus Sida. It's a mallow. And, you know, it's a pretty little flower. But that's the checkered skipper host plant, guys. In fact, a lot of the checkered skippers and actually some of the hair streaks use it as a larval host plant. And so I'm just gonna see if I can get, how close will this lady let me get? Man. I don't know if you can tell this, guys, but literally, I'm filming with my phone and she's letting me get inches away. And she is not scared of me one bit. She relies on her camouflage very heavily for protection. All right, she's nectaring right now on the, well, Man, she's cooperative. She gonna drop another egg for us? Here she goes. Dropping another egg, guys. See the little abdomen curling? She's dropped another egg right there. And I'm gonna pick this leaf. Oh, it's a hard stem. That is a hard stem. Okay. All right, there's the egg. I can see it. There's a little green egg right there. Super, super tiny, but I found it, guys. That is the checkered skipper, or the tropical checkered skipper egg, freshly laid right there. Cool. Look how tiny it is. Super tiny. Okay, we're gonna document this life cycle, guys. That's exciting. All right, here's another butterfly that also feeds on mallow, on the Sida. It's a columella hair streak, or actually Istapa, Strymon Istapa. Gosh, this guy, this is what it's normally like trying to get video of butterflies, especially ones with a wingspan less than an inch long. Here's a little hair streak, guys. This is Strymon Istapa, the mallow scrub hair streak. They also will feed on this Sida as a larval host. But boy, are they tough. They're tough to follow and they're tough to take video of. But this is another backyard bug, guys. He's living in the weeds in my backyard. And you can see them with their little hair streak, hind wing action, waving their hind wings up and down, trying to draw attention to their fake eye spot there. They've got a fake head in the back, even with fake antenna. That's the deal with the hair streak in the back. So if a butterfly, or sorry, if a bird or a lizard were to try and eat it, they want to go for the head, go for a quick kill, and the false eyes on the back act like a head. The butterflies will just escape. See if I can find them again. They're so fast. All right, this is the habitat, guys. Not a whole lot to it. It's literally just dead grass. All right, here's my hair streak once again. Let's see if I can show you. Oh, this is a different hair streak. Same species, different individual. Waving them back, hind wings up and down, trying to draw attention to the fake eye spots in the hind wing. And when a lizard would grab that hind wing, thinking it's the head, he just gets a mouthful of wings and the butterfly flies off. I love hair streaks. They're one of my favorites. Well, guys, we're gonna raise these inside, and that'll be a different video, but hope you enjoyed the video and learned something about the tropical checkered skipper, Pyrgus oileus, one of our South Florida backyard bugs. And maybe, you know, keep your eyes open for something small in your backyard, and you might be able to appreciate what's going on in your backyard at any point in time in South Florida. It's pretty cool. All year long, we've got tropical things like this. And guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you learned something. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps out our channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hit the bell for notifications, because when you do that, you won't miss our new videos when they come out. And we are gonna, one by one, go through the butterflies and moths of South Florida. And we're gonna document them photographically and with video and show you as best we can the cool things that live in our backyards in South Florida. So guys, take care. Let's enjoy South Florida, and let's get out there.